What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Homebrew. So let's get right into the video. So you want to open up your web browser and search for Homebrew and click on the first link, and you want to copy this command right here. Just click on the clipboard button and now open up a terminal window and paste it with 2 fingers and click enter. And now you need to input your computer password. It will not show it, but it is being inputted. And now press enter to install what Homebrew needs. Okay, it finished, but we aren't done yet. We need to run these commands to add brew to our path. So we need to copy this first command. So copy and paste, but press the space bar, and you want to put 2 ampersands, press space again, and then copy the second command, copy, and now paste, and now click enter. And now we have added Homebrew to our path, which is really important. And now to verify that everything has installed correct, we can run a few commands. We can run which brew, and perfect. If it's installed in user/local/bin/brew, this is perfect. And now we can run brew space dash version, click enter, and perfect. Our homebrew is up to date. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.